Every year in America, more than 1 million wild animals are killed by motor vehicles on the road. As a result, about 27,000 wild animals have suffered from injuries and property damage amounts to 3.5 billion. In spite of various campaigns, roadkill has still continued to happen. Campaigns targeted at drivers didn't work and solve the problem of roadkill. Drivers' slow reaction is inevitable because the sudden appearance of a wild animal makes it difficult for a driver to stop his car. How was it possible to prevent roadkill? Jaguar cars trying to protect wild animals have come up with a solution for preventing roadkill. Idea: let's make wild animals aware of a motor vehicle as Jaguar. We use the howling sound of Jaguar that is one of the scariest sounds to wild animals. We suggest Jaguar Sound. In front of road sections where roadkill frequently happen, we set up car sensors. Whenever cars pass through a sensor, amplifier installed on the place where wild animals frequently appear makes howling sound of Jaguar. When wild animals hear howling sound of Jaguar, they will run away, and this keeps them off the side of the road. By using howling sound of Jaguar, we can protect both drivers and wild animals from danger of roadkill. Jaguar Sound.